According to the Cambridge Dictionary, extraordinary means very unusual, special, unexpected, or strange. This is made up of a prefix, extra, and the word ordinary. That prefix means outside or beyond. So we can learn that extraordinary means beyond ordinary. If you see another word using the prefix extra, you will have a tip or hint that helps you guess its meaning. Here are some samples with explanations using synonyms or phrases that explain the meaning of our useful new word. The service in that restaurant was extraordinary. The waitress was so polite. She remembered what I had ordered last time I was there, and our food arrived so fast. The food was good, too. I will definitely go back to that eatery. The principal has announced that the school will be closed for emergency repairs for 2 months. This extraordinary news made everyone cheer at first, but later we found out that we would be having classes in another school nearby. Thank you for listening.